Good morning. I had quite a few people message me about the jars I've been making with the etching stickers, like the photo adhesive jars, asking me if I was selling them. But I feel really bad selling something that you can make in like 2 minutes. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. Okay? This is a quick mini lesson I'm actually doing in my commercial photography class. Pardon my voice. I've been sick on and off. I have really bad allergies. So let me just show you real quick. All you need is packaging tape, a drawing that you want to adhere. Most likely I would use, and I tried it with color photos, it doesn't look as good. Black and white drawings tend to look better. Just print something out and cut it as close as you can. Scissors and water, right? So all you're gonna do now is kind of stick some tape on the figure. I'm going to tape it to there and I'll cut off the rest, right? That's it. I'll cut off the rest later. Walk it over to the sink. I'm going to turn on the sink and then turn it over on this side and kind of rub it off, right? Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. But you need to like kind of rub it off until you get all the white off. And what's happening is you're looking really close. The black ink sticks to the packaging tape, right? Right? You just want to get that all off. Try to get off all the white as much as possible. See what's happening? It's like a transfer pretty much. And like I said, color photos look pretty crappy, but this is good for like if you want to do cool little jars or mini stickers, or I've had friends do stuff like this printed out like a little bit weird. I'm just going to use the hand on this one because maybe my photo printed out too light. But things that are dark work better. Don't use color photos. I don't recommend color photos. Right. Try to get off all the white tissue as much as you can. Looks something like that. I'll crop just the arm for now, just for this demonstration. Before you stick it on a jar, I haven't tried it with plastic jars or plastic bottles yet. But before you stick it on the jar, you want to cut the tape along the edge and then just stick it on. And that's how I basically got these, right? What's good about it too, if you're not liking it because some of it is a little bit filmy because of the glue, like you can cut, it comes right off and sticks back on again, right? But I cut it as close to the tape as possible so you don't see that film. And then adhere it. Right? Hope that helped. Literally 2 minutes. Bye-bye.